Yeah.
All the roads like in downtown square are just completely covered. I thought the cop was gonna give me a ticket because I pulled into the other lane to turn because one of them was what?
You don't want to get out in this shit.
I mean, if it has to do with his like making his picture, yeah, they get money for tickets to give out.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, done.
Oh fuck! Don't get my car.
Yeah! Roast it! Yeah! You're good! Got it! Walk out the Tommy's car! And Greg, did you get past that?
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. See, this is when
I would not park my car until I park his car.
No. Yeah. Guys, you know I'm going. I'm not letting my exhaust fill the snow behind me.
He's just trying to prove that he can get out.
Use my car. He will no longer be able to vacate out.
You have to start driving away.
I will hit the delete button. And it'll be as if he never existed.
He'll hit Tommy's car for you. It's yours.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You have Farley? Well, no, I'm about to say.
Not really. He's toasted.
He got you.
I mean, no, there's...
I'm just going to he's going to gun it.
Yeah,
He's going to get it drive. And just... Boom.
Still snow there.
Maybe I try this angle. He is close.
Oh, yeah, get Tommy's car.
Yeah, he's gonna... What's he gonna do now?
No, he's stuck there.
Is he really?
No, maybe not.
I was gonna say, that'd be awesome. I'm just watching it on his phone.
Why is he so concerned for that?
Showing us that he can get out. I don't know, but it's funny.
Yeah, you're out.
So close.
He's gonna catch pavement one time and just go ram.
Yeah, that's what we were worried.
Your car gets hit, that'd be a miracle, Luke. Yeah, downhill side.
What's his name?
Tim. What?
Tim, do not hit my car.
Tyler's about to hit your car.
Tyler's car's fine, though.
He's going to.
I'm going to cuss.
For it.
And you'll call my dad, tell him to pay for it.
What?
Jesus!
Oh, God.
Oh, now you just fucked You're none of us can get out!
He's blocking my car now.
He's blocking everything.
Everyone's car.
I mean, if he's your right, he's probably down there helping out.
He's not anymore. He got canceled.
Oh,
I hear a rattle in the back.
He might get it.
He's just digging
trenches.
trenches.
He said go back and forth. The Chicago winters. He knows how to work them.
He's just digging trenches.
Go pull up my windshield like this.
Excuse me. That sounds good.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, cool. Save about $50 for the gas.
Dude, it's a Camry. You'll be fine.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Watch him just get stuck all the way.
Keep going! He's looking at us.
Get out! Yeah!
Get out! Get! You gotta park!
Oh yeah! Get donuts!
He gets stuck in the...
Oh God, that would be awesome.
What?
No,
don't stop!